Ngifisa ukuyithinta leyo ukuthi ingozi enkulu esibhekene nayo ukuthi i-enemy yethu ikwazi ukum-understanda kuqala umsholozi before sim-understande thina ukuthi ubhekephi nale political something ayenzayo. I'm just referencing this to a recent move kaFloyd. Ngithi kuyingozi ngani ukuthi i-enemy yethu im-understande kuqala umsholozi kunathi? Because our enemy can come with its counter strategy esingasiconfuse kakhulu ugcine ngempela sesibone ngiyako umsholozi. At some point umsholozi wayikhuluma lento, wayikhuluma ngama-4 pillars of the struggle. But he was making emphasis in one of the pillars, and he was saying the most important thing that we need to do as a society, as the ANC then, the vanguard class, was to make sure that the society is not confused around these 4 pillars. And he was talking about one pillar that he said it was a central pillar. What was that one central pillar out of 4 pillars he was talking about? And he was saying, what is important to do is to make sure that the society, the black class, are not confused about this one central pillar. Because he said, if that pillar is not part of negotiations and we don't succeed to achieve objectives behind it, we will then know that we have actually failed in the negotiations. But the point of looking at it is important for a society to understand what its leaders are doing and why certain things are doing them, because some of these things are warfare political strategies that ama-leaders ethi angayakwazi ukuphumela ubala asitshele sazi ukuthi nasi strategies sosi-aplya kumlungu ngenxa ukuthi umlungu uzobelalele naye. So inkinga-ke ngifuna manje uyi-analyze zingeni eliphakeme noma eli-sophisticated intellectually to see ukuthi umsholozi uyaphi nalento ayenzayo. Sabona kuzoFloyd manje ku-EFF, from EFF to MK, kusho ukuthini? Ngithi kuyingozi masinga-understandi ngoba abanye bethu bazoqhubeka bedakwe inzondo mhlampe kaFloyd noma uphikisana noFloyd. Kanti umsholozi useyifaka ebhaqweni kamnandi manje. Uyayi-align lento ingena ithi khaxa. Futhi make yangena will be more strengthened and consolidated as MK plus the entire progressive forces. Kuyingozi singakwazi ukum-understand ukuthi lento uyenzelani. Why this movement? Kuyingozi ngani? Our enemy is as sophisticated as umsholozi. Bayakwazi bona ukumbona ukuthi okay usebhekele ngoba kade babelwa naye bese bemshekelela ngaphambili. Inkinga sekutheni ke mase bemshekelela, part of ukumshekelela kwabo ucreator imisconception namanga ngaye azokwenza thina sigcine sesidawutha yena umsholozi. The more simdawutha, the more kwehla ishodi kumsholozi lokwenza lento afuna ukuyenza ayachieve. The more abanye bethu beqala bemshiya umsholozi bebuyela ko-DA bebuyela ku-ANC nobani bani, and siyajabula enemy ubeyabona ukuthi hey kuba simphazamisanga umsholozi lapha besifa. Ubuhlungu lobo ngazi kahle manje umsholozi uhleli nabo. Ziningi i-strategy umsholozi ayi-applyile. Ube sasim-understanda kangcono, ngabe samsupporta kakhulu ngalo mzuzu wa-achieve into enkulu. Kodwa ngoba sasingam-understandi kwathina, sibuye sitshelwe enemy yethu ukuthi ubani umsholozi, uright yini, singamkholwa yini, simsupporte yini. Thina sibuye sitshelwe enemy yethu. Emva kwaloko sibuye sitshe sesihlanu phela ezinzima kabi. There was corruption in Nkandla. He built his homestead using the funds of the state. Mase phuma ama-fact akusijalo. Umsholozi wakho lo muzi, the only expense that was there or ama-security related features nale swimming pool le eyenza sense uma ungabe ucabanga sobhala ekhanda lakho ukuthi isenkandla lapha yonke amanzi, le mizi yakhiwe ngotshani, udinga amanzi amaningi ucima umlilo pha kuthi uyaqala umlilo uba khona. So ukuthi ube the pool of water egcekeni is important, 1. 2, should be a pool engasetshenziswa ngoba phela amanzi khona uzohleze ezoba i-part of igceke. Ngeke ube idamu nje elifakwe ring fensiwe elilindile ukushifaya. It has to be socially integrated into the community. So it makes sense ukuthi kube i-pool engakwazi ukubhudeke kuyona, but should, in case of fire the same pool become a source of water. It makes perfect sense. But because now we're too smart and too clever, we believe that nonsense. Even as a Kamuga a report, a Kamuga with treasure, a show you out of 246 million only 7 million afa Quebec, and another 7 million. Futhi akuyona imali nje kuphela kwaba expenditure engabukeki ifanele ngokwanele ukuthi be part of security upgrades. That's why uThuli Madonsela wathi uMsholozi has not stolen anything and got nothing to do with his values as a person. But moving forward, question is, after realizing that you've received a parcel that was meant for the orphanage, what is your morality around it? Do you pay it back or you keep it? That's what Thuli Madonsela said. Wa-influence wake naye uthi gcina nasetshela sengathi khona inkinga kulento watsheka ke naye phela belungu banemali futhi masebekakhe kakhulu uyadakwa la ekhanda ngoba usungasazi noma umuntu omnyama wena ohlakaniphe kakhulu bonke abamnyama, so you are better off or whatever, ugcina usanganelwa ikhanda nawe. So inkinga ke ilaba bafowethu, ingozi yokuthi ama-strategies kaMsholozi abe too sophisticated for us to the point that you don't understand them. But if you don't understand something, it's hard to support it. And if you come home with you understand the wrong, you are most likely to believe that person. So ngithike mina kunina bafowethu asifunde sithi ugxila kancane ekufundeni epolitiki. Sithi ukujula we-analysis so that at least we could come close to understanding uMsholozi ukuthi wenzani. Ngoba if we don't understand ama-pieces khathi ehlangana kuzoba lula sibone sathi uMsholozi wrong. Maqhamuka bathi uMsholozi nephunga sheshe silizwe nathi ngoba siseke kakhulu ngemuva. And uMsholozi uyayazi lento uba ngayazi aba kayipointanga out many years ago ukuthi out of these 4 pillars there's one central pillar that the society must not be confused around. Ofuna ukuyazi lento ikhona ivideo kaMsholozi ucinga ama video yakho uzoyithola ngalo ugqoke isudu engathi ifuna uba brownish or light brown in that video where he speaks about the key 4 central pillars of the struggle. And njengamanje ke lonto lo Msholozi ithanda uba ingozi baba ngoba some of the pieces are moving around. Ordinary masses that are loyal voters I find it hard to understand. To the point that now we're also confused. They feel like Highland or Danam just high condila. Can't you have them continue writing Msholozi Tina Saban and Tati was Ulandel? Siakbon, good high, Yaslang and Mtatias now la Msholozi Manju, come on and tag a match. If you choose a match, I might have to tell her to the lega we enemy. And the two in King alone shows go ban. Enemy at you near was understanding of no bagate Babylon now. Mr. McAlaba create a counter strategies as confuse as a society. It's a Male oppressed. And it's kind of something a teen about futures in Yama as a Muslim shows Wenzan. Along an innocent trust in whatever that he does because he knows what he does. He never forsaken us. So umuntu onjalo akwazi ukuthi out of small confusion bese uthi hayi shoot uyabhetha cha uhamba kwesinye scale lo umuntu lo ingakho sibenza umholi wethu ngoba uhamba ku scale normal person ongakwazi uhamba kusona and the enemy yakwazi lokho even sebe employee nakhuza ama skills aka social sciences nawa psychology bawadlala on him, still he survives them simply because he is as sophisticated. But the problem is war of sophistication. We are not as sophisticated as Msholozi and the enemy. And ingakho ihloko kuyi-weakness. Ngoba sigcina sesamnika support ayidingayo. Ngesikhathi nangezinga nejubane elo support isuke idingeka ngayo. Kodwa ngithi-ke each opportunity esinayo ukuthi uMsholozi noma engenzani simsupport ngethemba lokuthi siyazi ukuthi uyayazi into ayenzayo.